Hey everybody, Fred here with RedlineAutosports.com and RedlineMuscleCars.com. This is our 1985 Silverado short wide bed in triple black. It has gorgeous black paint, beautiful rally wheels, great, awesome interior, and a really nice 350 5.7 liter V8. Has new door panels, new carpet, new seat cover, new steering wheel, new dash pad. This little truck stands tall. It is gorgeous inside and out. Starts easy. It's got a chrome IDIDIT column with a 3-spoke wheel. Bluetooth stereo with a speaker, so you can run your phone through your radio. Power windows, power locks, just devastatingly beautiful paint. Really nicely detailed into the hood, small block 350. Gloss painted everywhere and done right. Twin fans on the radiator, ice cold AC, vent, valve covers, and a trickle flow breather. Absolutely beautiful. Truck runs and drives excellent. Turbo hydro 350 transmission, power steering, power disc brakes, ice cold air. Very warm heat, really nice alloy rally wheels that are 17s, nice tires, new mirrors, dark tinted windows, black bed liner. That's the triple black, is the black interior, the black paint, and the black bed liner. This truck runs and drives excellent. Got beautiful dual exhaust and sounds great. Really nice aftermarket tailgate band. New front and rear chrome bumpers. Check us out on our website at RedlineMuscleCars.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. We're located at 21180 US Highway 70, Wilson, Oklahoma. Thanks, y'all have a blessed and awesome day.